Embarking on a journey beyond borders, the Canadian adventurer unveiling thrills from to USA and beyond. Who needs the winter blues when the snowflakes start dancing down? Ottawa's winter is your go-to for exciting activities. Discover the top things to do and winter fun to keep you warm and entertained all season long. First on our list, skiing, snowboarding, and tubing adventure. Swap the winter blues for adrenaline-fueled thrills on the slopes of Camp Fortune, just a short drive from downtown Ottawa. Carve through the powdery landscapes with skiing, snowboarding, and tubing, available from December to March. Feel the rush of the crisp winter air as you conquer the hills, turning Ottawa into your very own snow-covered playground. Number 2. Winter wildlife at the Canadian Museum of Nature. Step into the Canadian Museum of Nature, located in the heart of Ottawa. The Winter Wonderland comes alive with exhibits showcasing the resilience and beauty of Canada's wildlife. Immerse yourself in a snowy tableau where every display tells a story of survival and adaptation against the harshest of seasons. Number 3. Christmas tree cutting, hayrides, hot chocolate, and so much more. Experience the joy of the season at Ian's Evergreen Plantation, a beloved location for Christmas festivities. Located in Cumberland, just a short drive from Ottawa, the Plantation opens its gates for Christmas tree cutting, enchanting hayrides, and steaming cups of hot chocolate. The holiday magic typically begins in late November and continues throughout December, providing families with the perfect blend of winter adventure and festive cheer. Bundle up, hop on a hayride, sip on a hot drink by the outdoor fire, and make cherished memories as you choose and cut your own Christmas tree in this winter wonderland. Number 4. Ice skating on the Rideau Canal. Lace up your skates and join the merry procession on the frozen Rideau Canal, typically open for skating from January to late February. Under the glow of streetlights, families and friends glide along the world's largest natural skating rink. The iconic Parliament Hill provides a regal backdrop as laughter echoes in the crisp winter air. It's a scene straight out of a storybook, where the city itself becomes a canvas for the joy of the season. Number 5. Snowshoeing in Gatineau Park. Venture into Gatineau Park, a short drive from downtown Ottawa, where snow-covered trees stand like silent sentinels. Strap on your snowshoes and embark on a journey through winding trails that lead to hidden winter treasures. The park becomes a playground for adventure, with each step unveiling the untouched beauty of a Canadian winter. Number 6. Tobogganing on Greens Creek Hill. Seeking an adrenaline rush, climb aboard your toboggan and plunge down Greens Creek Hill, a popular spot for winter thrills. The hill becomes a playground for the young at heart, where the joy of winter is felt with every descent. While there are dozens of fantastic hills to venture on in Ottawa, we choose Creek Hill as our favorite. Number 7. Winter warm-up at ByWard Market. Navigate the bustling ByWard Market, located in downtown Ottawa. Explore the market's quaint shops, sip on steaming drinks, and indulge in treats that warm both body and soul. It's a winter warm-up for the senses. Number 7. Ottawa Winterlude. Venture into Confederation Park, nestled in the heart of downtown Ottawa, where the air is charged with excitement. The Winterlude kickoff extravaganza awaits, usually launching in early February. Experience lively performances, toe-tapping music, and the grand reveal of colossal ice sculptures that defy imagination. This is not just a festival, it's a sensory feast that beckons everyone to immerse themselves in the magic of winter. Most of Winterlude now takes place in the ByWard Market. Downtown Ottawa is a very walkable city. You can walk to many Winterlude attractions, but be prepared for the cold and bundle up. Number 8. Winterlude Ice Dragon Boat Festival. Brace yourself for the unexpected as we dive into the Winterlude Ice Dragon Boat Festival, held on Dow's Lake. Teams paddle furiously on the frozen canal, their boats gliding seamlessly over the ice. It's a fusion of ancient tradition and exhilarating innovation, a dragon boat race like no other. Number 9. Nordic Spa Retreat at Le Nordic Spa Nature. Escape to Le Nordic Spa Nature, located in Chelsea, Quebec, just a short drive from Ottawa. Submerge yourself in outdoor thermal baths, surrender to the warmth of saunas, and find peace in the serenity of the winter landscape. It's not just a spa day, it's a Nordic retreat that rejuvenates both body and spirit. Number 10. Dog sledding adventure in the Outaouais region. Our adventure takes a wild turn as we venture into the Outaouais region for a dog sledding escapade. Typically available from December to March, feel the crisp winter breeze on your face as a team of spirited dogs propels you through snow-covered landscapes. It's a symphony of canine energy and human thrill. a winter adventure that leaves an indelible mark. Number 11. Calabogie Snowmobile Trails. Rev up your winter adventure with a snowmobiling expedition in Calabogie. It's just a 45-minute drive west from Ottawa. Embark on a high-speed journey through the Calabogie Peak Snowmobile Trails, where the winter wilderness becomes your playground. No need to worry if you don't have your own snowmobile. Calabogie Peaks offers snowmobile rentals, allowing you to dive into the snowscape without any equipment hassles. Rental prices vary depending on the duration and type of snowmobile. On average, expect prices to range from $150 to $300 per day. This includes the snowmobile, safety gear, and a trail pass. So gear up, feel the rush, and let the Calabogie become your winter thrill. Number 12. Ottawa Senators Hockey Game. Get ready for a wild night of hockey madness at the Canadian Tire Centre. Picture this: winter vibes, October to April, and the Ottawa Senators owning the ice with crazy skills and unstoppable speed. Weekends are where it's at, especially Friday and Saturday nights when the place is lit with crazy energy. Beat the crowd and roll in early to catch the buzz before the game. Dive into the red zone. It's like the pre-game party you didn't know you needed. We're talking about pure hockey chaos, and you don't want to miss a second of it. Let's get pumped up for some serious puck action. Number 13. Visit a maple syrup sugar bush or farm. Forget winter blues. Dive into the sweet embrace of Canadian tradition by visiting a maple syrup sugar bush. Head to Fulton's Pancake House in Sugar Bush, located in Pakenham, just a short drive from Ottawa. Immerse yourself in the centuries-old process of making maple syrup, from tapping the trees to indulging in a pancake feast drowned in fresh, golden goodness. The sugaring off season typically kicks off in March and extends into April. Number 14. Cross-country skiing. Cross-country skiing is a favorite Ottawa pastime in the winter. Several trails are even accessible within the urban core, including the popular Kichi-Sibi Winter Trail and Rideau Winter Trail, which are both multi-user groomed trails. Explore over 150 kilometers, 93 miles of trails in the Greenbelt area around Ottawa. Access is free and all are suitable for beginner and family outings. Number 15. Christmas Light on the Parliament Hill. From the beginning of December to January 7th, downtown Ottawa is alive with colorful lights. The star of this display is a 15-minute light show on the Parliament Building center block, projecting a multimedia light show of Canada's history and culture. It is free to watch and is on a continuous loop from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. nightly. So there you have it, a winter wonderland of activities waiting to shatter the boredom blues. From adrenaline-pumping adventures on the slopes to cozy moments in museums and the heart-pounding thrill of hockey games, Ottawa's got it all. But hey, the fun doesn't stop here. There's a whole playlist of winter delights waiting for you. Thanks for watching.